And the Pro Trader webinar series is coming up. So if you're interested, I would definitely sign up soon. The price will go up another $100, I think, after we get 5 people in. The next 5 people will go up another $100 or $99 or whatever. But right now, it's only $398, I think, and it involves pancakes. And that's why you're looking at this dog here flipping a cat pancake. Pancake trades are my favorite thing. We're going to talk about many trading systems. We're going to talk about 3 of my favorite trading systems. We're also going to talk about exit systems, and we're going to talk about pancake trades especially, which are my favorite trades right now. Now, when I first started trading pancakes, it was a bit scary. I found myself having difficulty grasping the idea and the theory of pancake trades. It was a bit scary for me. However, over time and learning how well these work and testing pancake trades without ever risking any money, and I'll show you how to do that too in the Pro Trader webinar series, I found that my profits drastically increased. All of those trades on my statement that I showed you, those were all pancake trades. All of them. Every single one of them. And what ends up happening is when I started adopting my pancake trades and I moved it to my live trading, is my profits stacked up and got huge. Just like this guy here wearing the rubber gloves in the kitchen with all these pancakes. I have no idea where he's taking these pancakes and why he has that many. But that's kind of like how I felt when I started trading the pancake trades. Is like I started thinking, wow, this is incredible how quickly my profits add up and how my losses are so small. I found that my losses were very, very tiny relative to my winning trades. And that is really the key for trading, right? Is that you need to make sure that your losses are tiny and your winners are huge. And when I started pancake trading, that's exactly what happened to me. So right now, I can't get enough of pancakes. I love them, and I'm not the only one. Some of the traders that I work with and that trade with me, we all are trading pancakes trades right now, and we're loving them. And I think you will too. Once you dive into it, it's a little bit unnatural, it's a little bit difficult, but after a while, you will start to love pancakes like we do. It's a very, very fun way to trade, and it's exciting because you know that that the system is on your side. You know that overall you're going to eventually make a lot of money, and it's cool. Pancakes can be a little bit boring. Any trading system can be boring. When I trade for myself and I trade for others, and what I found is that when I start to get a little bit bored with my trading and thinking about changing things up or modifying a system or adding a new rule or something like that, that's usually when I have a bad month. And I usually have one bad month every year. All of the other months I do really well, but usually one month I have a bad month. And I've already had my bad month this year, and it was no different to every other year where I started getting bored with my pancake trades and I started trying to mix it up and change it and make it better and add to it. Well, not a good idea. Not a good idea for me, and I don't know a lot of traders who do well at this when they switch it up. When you've got a good system, there's no reason not to stick with it. You should just stick with your good system and ride it out. If I want to do some exciting trading, what I do now is I have a little $500 account and I just trade that. That's it. If I want to be exciting and try a new trading system, I'll use my little tiny account to do it, because that way I know that I can get it out of my system, I can trade real money, and it won't hurt me in the long run because it's not my major income source. It's just a little, just a little account to test things out and try new stuff and that. What you'll find if you join us with the Pro Trader webinar series is that once you start getting going with these systems, and they're extremely simple, you'll find that you'll become bored because you'll be doing the same thing over and over again. You'll be making money, but you won't be stimulated. You won't have something new to look at, or you won't be changing up systems all the time, which is obviously something that a lot of traders do. They'll find a new system, they're convinced it's the greatest thing ever, they jump into it head first, they trade it, and then things start to go wrong. There's a bit of a drawdown, and so they give up on the system, and then they decide they need to find a new system. They find a new system. It looks like the greatest thing ever. They're convinced it's the greatest thing ever. They jump into that head first, and the cycle continues, right? So what we found is that the boring traders, the bored traders, the traders that are doing the same thing over and over and over, those are the traders that are making money. Those are the guys that are making money. And if you were like me and you've been trading for a few years, trading forex for a few years, and having troubles not making money, which is a common thing, you might blow out a few accounts like I did. I certainly lost more than a few accounts when I first started trading, making all the big mistakes. And it was sad, but by the time I had come around, I started learning these simple trading systems and putting it all together for myself. I didn't have any money. Well, as part of the Pro Trader webinar series, what we're going to do is, as a graduation present to everyone, we're going to allow you to join up for a private fund as a trader and trade money for others. So that will be something that's offered to everyone in the Pro Trader webinar series. You will be invited to join a private fund. And that's a great opportunity for those traders who have been trading a long time, losing their own money, and then now it's finally clicked after you've learned a few cool things, especially pancake trades, right? Pancake trades are a wonderful way to really raise your profit level and really increase your profits. So you'll get the opportunity to trade for this private fund, and that's it. It'll be fun. It'll be a great time for everyone. I think that it's especially useful for those people that don't have enough money right now in their trading account to survive. So we're going to talk about exits also in the Pro Trader webinar series. We're going to talk about ways that you can exit trades no matter why you've entered them. In other words, you don't have to use these exits with the trading systems you're going to learn in the Pro Trader webinar series. You can use these exits with any trading system. And depending on your personality, one of these exit systems is probably going to fit and make sense to you, and you'll probably want to adopt that. I don't know which one it'll be. There's several in the program, but it's something that I think is going to be good fun. I think you're going to enjoy it. Exits really are where the money is made, and anyone who's been trading for a while will tell you that. And I'm sure you know that when it's really great to get into the market at an opportune time, but if you really want to make money trading, you've got to manage that exit correctly. And we'll show you some really cool ways of doing it that take the emotion out of your trading with these exits. You may look at this and think, what's going on? This guy's riding a unicycle down the side of a snowy mountain. Well, I think this guy is highly skilled. I think he's probably been doing it for a while. He's had a lot of practice on the unicycle, and he's probably going to do all right riding down that mountain. Now, I think that trading skills are exactly like unicycle skills, cooking skills, programming skills, writing skills, pottery, if you make pottery, painting, building things out of Legos. If you do it enough, you'll get good at it. If you practice, you'll do well. And that's exactly what we're going to do in the Pro Trader webinar series. I'm going to show you specific psychological trading skills that you can do. These are exercises, psychological trading exercises, so that you will, one, determine which are your problem areas, where do you have difficulty with your trading skills, so therefore, what do you need to work on? And that's what these psychological trading skills will help you with, is working on specific trading skills, adopting a skill that will help you to become a much more consistently profitable trader, because that's what it's all about. And I think that the other so that's my favorite part, is really the trading skills. But besides that, I think sharing the pancake trade with others is going to be wonderful. And I think that once you see the power of the pancake, you'll probably never go back. It will be difficult to go back. So if you're interested in the Pro Trader webinar series, just go to the website here. It's FXjake.com. And if you have any questions about trading, you can always email me at walter@fxjake.com. There you go. I hope to see you there. We're starting on November 15th, the Pro Trader webinar series. All of the webinars will be recorded. We will also have a members area where we will look at live trades as they occur, so you can see these systems in action. And I think that you're really going to love it. It's going to be a fun thing for everyone involved. So I hope that you do join us. And if you have any questions at all, certainly pop me an email. Thanks.